Hello guys, and welcome again to the Summit YouTube channel. We'll make sure that we deliver the best quality content for you to make sure that you never miss any opportunities on the financial markets. So here is the strategy. This strategy that we are using for Crash 300 currently. So Crash 300, if you check from the daily perspective, the market has been a bearish market. Bearish market, obviously, right now my major targets for this bearish move, obviously, I'm looking forward to somewhere around this level. Why that level? That is a very strong demand zone. Very strong demand zone, that one. That is a very strong demand zone on cash surrender. So it still has a bit of room to still come down. It still has that room to still come down. So I'm looking forward to that demand zone as my target for the sales, maybe for this whole sales to end here, maybe before reversing all bearish. My perspective is bearish, as I've said. So we are going down, breaking structure, breaking this structure here. The market came back to this supply zone, tapped into the supply zone, tapped the first time, went down, tapped the second time, went down. So that supply zone was actually an opportunity for sell entries to be taken on that supply zone that you're currently seeing on the daily. So supply zone, people could have sold. Right. You can just refine the supply like this. So we're going down. We've been going down. Whenever we have break of structure, the market tends to leave a supply zone. Break of structure here. Break of structure. The market left. This supply zone was tapped though. This was tapped. So we can't say the market left any supply zone, but it's actually mitigated this other block, which happens to be the supply zone. So to me, I don't look much on the market retracing back to those levels for now. I look forward for the market to retrace into the levels that haven't been tapped or that are closed. So the next break of structure was here. Break of structure. After this break of structure, what happened? After this break of structure, the market left this, which was tapped. This one tapped. So basically, everything was tapped here. Market went down. After going down, came back to this supply zone. This supply zone wasn't tapped, or this order block wasn't mitigated. So coming back into this order block, the market one could have taken very beautiful sales. That one could have taken. So this strategy that I'm using is what it's our strategy called the Smart Confluence Trading 3.4 strategy. That's the best strategy that one can actually have in their forex trading career. Very the best strategy that one can use on the forex market is this strategy that I'm showing you right now. So came back to the supply zone, dropped all the way. It lows for first target, then your second target, you could have simply used Fibonacci as well to target TP2. Simple. TP2 is always, for me, my TP2 is always negative 27%, of which it was tapped. So this was how I was going to enter. I have quite a number of confluences. Number one, overall market structure is bearish from the daily. Number two, the market is tapped into a key area of value, which happens to be this supply zone. We have tapped around the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Number four, we have retracement channel. Number five, the breakout of that retracement channel. So either you could have a breakout here, you'd have gotten the entry, obviously 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you'd have gotten a smaller stop loss and not that bigger one. So you could have entered the TP1 0%, TP2 negative 27%. Beautiful trade. It lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost a day and some hours of holding that simple trade. Okay. So after having done that, after TP was reached, the market came back and tapped right. So the zone now that we are now looking at is no longer this zone only, but I'm also looking now at the new what? The new supply. What is the new supply? This is the new supply, right? The old supply, we used it and we made money out of it. New supply is this one. New supply zone. The market came all the way into that new supply, tapped into the new supply, and check what happened. Same thing, you could have also utilized your trend lines along with all the other instruments that we have added to the chart. You'd have applied everything to your chart. Simple like this, right? So simple, very simple. Broke, retested, then now it's going. Broke, retested, now it's going. So 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, you could have gotten your entry there. Target, first target. I'm looking at these lows here. This swing lows here. That's my target. And finally, that demand zone on the daily, which is this area there. So first target this area, second target that demand zone on the daily time frame. My stop loss 30 minutes, 15 minutes, we actually place your stop loss. So this is the strategy. Once you identify the overall market structure, then start to identify areas of key value, which are your point of interest. That is your supply, your demands, your order blocks, your order value gaps, your imbalances, your order blocks, your supply and demand as your areas of value. Once you've identified them, make sure that you combine them with other confluences so that you have quite a number of confluences for your trade. Either you can also add Fibonacci, you can also add your trend lines, you can also include chart patterns, you can also include candlestick patterns. All of that combined is what formulates Smart Confluence Trading 3.0 strategy. If ever you want to know more about our strategy, make sure that you contact us through our WhatsApp number in the description below. Make sure you contact us and get the strategy. So according to this, already this TP, already one can actually shift stop loss to this zone here, to this winning zone around that level there. So what else can we project? What else can we tell here? As you said, after changing character or breaking structure, the market always leaves an order block or what you call. Or let's say it wants to reverse. Let's say even if it reverses here or even here. Let's say it does this. We'll sell again here, targeting. So already we have a projection already that we're hoping for crash 300. But so far the market has been falling very, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. So crash 300, one thing that we've noticed that it requires a lot of patience. It requires a lot of patience for your setups to clear, because it is a very, very high volatile pair, very, very high volatile pair. It's very volatile than crash 500, than crash 1000, than all the crash and booms. Actually the most volatile. So that is why they actually manipulate it a lot, and that is why it requires a lot of patience for the setups to actually come on your zones and for you to enter. So guys, this is our strategy. If you want to know more about our Smart Confluence Trading 3.0 strategy, make sure you contact us through our WhatsApp number in the description, or contact us through Telegram. You can join our free Telegram group in the description below. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the video, and make sure that you don't miss any single strategy of ours that we're going to be sharing on this beautiful channel. Thank you for watching.